Today we are introducing Keystone's innovative wiring harness, designed for use with direct drive LED tubes, which bypass the ballast and connect directly to line voltage. The wiring harness is a must-have accessory item that will dramatically reduce the time needed to install direct drive tubes. Be sure to turn off the power at the circuit breaker before starting the installation. Remove the lens, lamps, and ballast cover. Cut the ballast wires. Remove the existing sockets. Install Keystone's wiring harness into the existing socket holders. Connect the hot and neutral power wires to the quick disconnect on Keystone's wiring harness. Replace the ballast cover. Apply the safety label indicating that the fixture will no longer operate fluorescent lamps. Install Keystone's direct drive lamps, making certain that the end of the lamp labeled LN is connected to the wiring harness sockets. Replace the lens. Keystone Technologies, light made easy.